Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Robinhood by phone. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Robinhood app. Once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to contact Robinhood Support Center, you need to go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Once you're on your profile page, here you can see the three lines icon at the top left corner. Tap on it. In this menu page, you can see this option of Robinhood support. Tap on it. Now that you're in the support center page of the Robinhood app, here you can see the option of help center. You can take a leverage of this feature in order to see most frequently asked questions, and here you can find most commonly asked questions by others. If you want to contact Robinhood Support Center due to these reasons, then you can find your answers over here. You can select the category of issues that you are looking for. If the help center questions didn't answer your issues, then you can come back, and in this page you can see the contact support option at the bottom. You can simply tap on it, and here you can contact the Robinhood Support Center. You can ask your questions, and you can follow up on this conversation in order to see the response. So that's it. That's the easiest way to contact Robinhood by phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.